So let's talk about the Zadi Vecam locks and barrels replacements for side doors, locker doors, garages, toilet access doors. You may need to replace one of these or a whole set for different reasons. You've broken your water cap, you've bought a new or second-hand caravan, motorhome, and you only got one key. Typically these sets come with 2 keys with a different number of barrels. We sell them in many different combinations. So what you will need to enable you to change this lock is this red key. Now this key enables the removal of the barrel from the locker or water cap in this instance. This needs to be done when the cap is fully unlocked. And you simply insert the key, click it home, and then pull out the barrel. Very simple operation, easy to do on all of the locks, but they must be unlocked to do this. Then when you've removed the barrel, you simply pull the key out, can be quite tight, and when you're inserting your new lock back into your cap in this instance, we have a mark at the top here, and the tab here needs to go in line with that mark. It pushes in and simply clicks home. That's it.